Devarshi Goglani with the unboxing of brand new Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. It's so stunning mobile, I must say. You just check it out. It's so stunning mobile. Now we just quickly look the specification. Okay, here, sorry for the camera. Here we get the Samsung Pay, which is the very good feature of Samsung, I must say. The another thing which is to be noted here is that this is the least price mobile in which we get the feature of Samsung Pay, and the 13 plus 13 megapixel we get in the both camera. मतलब means in real camera also and front camera also we get 13 megapixel usual. And now just quickly go through the specification. 64 octa-core processor, uh, okay, 13.13 as usual, 3 GB rams with 64 GB memory, and the usual. Okay, now let's unbox this phone. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay, this is the same stuff which we get in the every Samsung mobile. So quick start guard in Hindi, and the usual stuff. Okay, let's just keep it aside. Now just look out the phone. Wow, this is so stunning. Now just look out at the. Okay, this is the charging adapter. Just look out whether we get fast charging mode or not. Okay, we do not get fast charging mode, we just get 5 ampere voltage, and the data cable as usual, and earpods, same ejector. Okay, now just look out the mobile. Okay, wow, wow, it's so stunning. Okay, now just remove this plastic guard. You can just see the pure glass and full metallic body behind this. As you can see here, this is the 64 gigabytes variant, and yeah, here is 30 megapixel rear camera with flash, no dual camera. It's amazing. And here we got usual front camera with 13 megapixel. So let's turn on the mobile. Okay, here we go. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro, Samsung. Okay, here we go. So here the mobile is. Okay, I just turn on the mobile once. This is the second time I am just opening. uh, Here we do not get the menu option, we just need to swipe and menu comes, and this is the very flexible which can be adapted very easily. And now just look out the clarity of camera. I'm actually want to say that I'm very much impressed with the camera as well as the speaker. These both are very amazing. I mean, I just a fan of this J7 Pro. Okay, so where's gallery? I just need to show you some pictures. Okay, okay, here the clarity is. Okay, I just click this photo, and you can just see the clarity of this mobile. It's so stunning. Okay, okay, now we just check out the device. Something about device. Okay, about phone, and let me just reduce the. Okay, You can here you can see the Galaxy J7 Pro. Okay, and some model number, status my phone. Okay, it's usual. And okay, here we get the Samsung Pay feature, which I did not use this till now. Okay, I just pre-installed the some apps. The usual Facebook, we just get the Google, Microsoft apps, Samsung apps. So here you can see the brightness of this mobile, uh, and okay, let's check out the speed of fingerprint sensor. Okay, where's that? Okay, lock and security, fingerprint sensor. Okay, I just do the okay. Okay, here it is done. um, okay, now just turn on the fingerprint and look out the what is the speed of the fingerprints. Wow, it was less than 1 second. Okay, it's so good to see the speed of this fingerprint sensor. Okay, okay, so this was all about the quickly unboxing of the J7 Pro. I'm going to make more videos about the review of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Let me just show you the previous model, which is I get, uh, that is J7 2016 model. Here it is the 2016 model. It's so similar to the J7 Pro, but it differs from the functionality features, as you say, and both mobiles are quite similar, but something are more good in this Pro as compared to the J7 2006 model. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of unboxing. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share. Okay, thank you, peace.